This is Helen Stubbings from Hugs and Kisses in Hobart, Australia, and I'm just doing a little quick video of my studio. This is the Let's Keep It Real video, because you're going to see it with all its lumps and bumps. My studio is not pretty at the moment. It's become a dumping ground for the family, with number 2 daughter moving home again and everything else. So here's my design wall up here. It's a full wall covered in K-Night, covered in white fabric, so anything can be pinned up on that full wall. There's a couple of little projects in process there, and then some blocks ready to go to magazines and different things there. This is my A1 sit down and a lovely purpose-built table pushed up against the wall, not currently accessible, because we've now also had to share it with number 2 daughter's gym equipment. Lots of old samples and laser testing products and testing there. Some of my flannels fabrics there, basically Hugs flannels. And at the moment our shop is closed, so there's a lot of boxes of fabric being brought home so that I can play and kit while I'm here. These are my sewing machines. So I have my Bernina 750 that I do most of my applique work on, and then around here is my trusty old 1260 that I'll never let go, and I do my piecing on that one. Lots and lots of projects in process and progress and bits and pieces. Over to my ironing station here. All my little goodies here, every notion you could think of: scissors, cutters, rulers, glues. My cutting table here, nice big cutting table, but it's a flat surface, so that's an excuse for everyone in the family to drop things on it. Project in process here. Over the back is a lot of shelving with magazines, all my design process books, so any design I do I keep an original in by hand in these folders here where I started out. Tubs of scraps in different colorways, pre-cuts, and these lovely drawers over here which I keep all my embroidery threads. So these are my working threads, so in colorways. Of course we have new ones at the shop, but these are my working threads when I'm designing there, and lots of other different notions and things in those drawers. I have a wall here where I've got fabric design swatches and ideas up there, and then another little design wall here. These are just blocks in progress, or perhaps they stopped speaking to me so I never got any further. I must finish that one day. There's a lot of work there. And these big sliding cupboards here that are full of 40 years worth of craft and quilting ideas. More fabric down here, as I said, all home from the shop while I'm cutting kits at home, making new projects. But yes, we're in a big mess. If you notice this lovely white stripe on my carpet, we had a flood a couple of years ago and had to completely empty out the studio. The removalists came in and they recarpeted a couple of months ago while I was away. My husband thought he might repaint for me, and now we're going to have to empty out again and recarpet again. So in 6 months time I'll show you a beautiful, perfect studio, not real like this is all. Thanks for joining me. Bye.